So I had been working in the reinsurance industry as a data analyst, and that job went away because the company went out of business. And I was friends with one of my former professors here at George Fox, and he every once in a while would ask me if I wanted to adjunct. And I always said no because I had another job. But then when I lost my job and he asked me if I wanted to adjunct, it was a pretty easy yes. I had teaching as something that I wanted to do, particularly at the college level, so it seemed like a really natural thing for me to take on. Hi, I'm Jill Jamison, and I'm Associate Professor of Mathematics and Data Analytics. I really like being outdoors. It doesn't matter the time of year. I run year-round, rain or shine. I like to hike and backpack. I like to go hang out at the beach. I like to do things on the water and swim, so paddleboard or kayak, and also swim either in a pool or in a lake, in the ocean. So yeah, being outdoors is pretty important to me. I grew up near Seattle, Washington. I actually wasn't a part of a family that did a lot of outdoor stuff. My sisters tended to be more outdoorsy, so I kind of picked it up from them, and I enjoyed being outdoors as a young child. We had a really big backyard that had actually kind of a wooded area, and I tended to gravitate towards friends that also like to do things outdoors. So a lot of times when we hang out, that's what we do. We hike or backpack or even camp, stuff like that. I like most parts about teaching. The process of taking content that I know pretty well or really well, sort of backwards and forwards, and then strategically breaking it down into ways that someone that's really new to the subject can understand. I really enjoy that process. I love the classroom setting. I also really enjoy more and more having students work together in groups, giving them kind of hard things to work on together and then seeing them together figure those things out. More and more, I'm really convinced that when we are in relationship around the learning process, it just enhances that process. We learn more, and then in the meantime, we build friendships. After a student completes a class with me, I'd like that student to know the course content really well. And I would hope that they have a greater confidence in themselves as a learner and being able to apply whatever that subject is to their life or to their studies in other ways.